There are two most common types of English, American and British English. If you're watching this video, it's likely because you're trying to decide which kind of English you should learn. Well, let's find out. Let's take a look at British English first. If you're looking for a more international option, then British English would probably be a better choice. If you were learning English at school as a second language, you were most likely learning British English. It's the most widely taught and understood version of English worldwide. Knowing it would definitely give you an edge if you ever want to travel to or do business in most British-influenced countries. On the other hand, learning American English can be great if you're planning on doing business in the US or if you want to be able to understand American culture. American English is also a great option if you want to be easily understood by the majority of English-speaking people. Considering that the US is the world's largest English-speaking country, many people also prefer to learn American English because it's generally a bit simpler and more straightforward than British English. Plus, if you're going to be traveling to the US, it would be really helpful to have a basic understanding of American English. So, which one to choose? At the end of the day, it really comes down to personal preference. Both types of English are valuable and can open up a lot of opportunities for you. If you can't decide, just go with the English you personally like more. For example, if you have a favorite influencer or a celebrity, you could learn the English that they are using. If American English sounds better to you, go with that one. Or if you like the vocabulary and sounds of British English more, learn British English. There's no wrong choice, and it really just depends on which English you like more. But if you really have no idea about which one to learn, I would recommend starting with British English first, because it's the most widely taught and understood version of English worldwide. And if you ever decide that you like American English more, you can always switch to that one. Think about which type of English you like more, and you should be able to figure out which type is right for you. If you liked this video, give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out other videos from this channel. Good luck with whatever you decide, and happy learning!